Welcome everyone to another episode on the Gadget Doctor. My name is Martin and I will be your host and guide on this week's topic.
Morning reefers. I just got in my DIY sump kit from FijiCube. All I've done so far is cut open the tape, and let's start with the unboxing. This sump kit is for an Aquarium 20 long. We've got directions, our filter sock, second filter sock, we've got our pads, filter pads, our filter sock holder wrapped up nice and tight, and then our other plates. So I'm going to stop right now, get everything unpackaged, and start again. So we've finished unwrapping everything, and we've got our filter sock holder. This acrylic work is actually really nice. So let's do a dry test fit. We've got an Aquarium 20 long. And if you look, before I even bought this, I marked areas of where I thought the plates would end up lining up at. Okay, now in order to actually get these in here nice and tight, if you can look and see, it's not touching the edge of the glass back here due to the silicone down here holding up the edge. So what'll end up happening to have done is cut that little bit out before placing it in, and then using Aquarium Silicone to silicone everything back in. For a nice clean look for your edges, it is suggested that you go at least 3/8 of an inch from your edge of the acrylic with tape. I'm using clean release painter's tape. That way we've got a nice clean look. So we've got our filter sock holder in. Next will come our Refugium Plate, or our skimmer chamber divider. You'll want to measure your skimmer and leave enough area for it to get there. Now we have our eye chamber for our refugium area. Oh, it's not going to hold itself up like the other one has, but you see what it has done. Oh, here. Let's put that in there like this. And then we have our, I guess you can call them media basket area. And then you will have two of these that will sit on these little nubs. And then you can put your foam, as well as your carbon, your whatever filter media you plan on using, and it'll sit right in between those. All in all, for $100, this is some great stuff.
Now for some still slides. Notice that our pieces are taped off. They are taped off 3/8 of an inch from the edge. That way you can get nice clean lines and spacing between your parts and your aquarium with thick enough silicone bead. Measure your area that you're going to silicone and measure 3/8 of an inch from that line for your silicone. Once you've done that and you pull your tape off, sometimes it'll come out clean, Others it won't because of hard to reach areas, just like this. We'll go ahead and do our skimmer and our fuge separator piece. It looks alright. I'm not a perfectionist. Another view. Now when you're gluing all of these into place with the silicone, you have to remember to measure your areas so you get the correct placement. And when it comes to the silicone, follow the directions on the package. For me, I waited 48 hours for it to cure before I put any water in it to test it for leaks. And we have our finished product, and I was happy with it. It's been running for 6 months now, and I'm happy with it. Hope you enjoyed.